Oh, Pop Rocks. Pop Rock is that? Doubles and singles right now. It is about 5:45 in the morning. I'm off to meet Mr. Perry downstairs, and we're gonna Uber it over to South Point. Here we go, just walked into the bowling alley. Gotta get our balls weighed again, and then we're gonna head on out. Here we go. All right, we gotta walk all the way around because we are on lane 5 and 6. That's where we bowled last night, right there. First game, 181 the second game, and I'm on game 3, so I need to shoot at least a 200, and I can probably be in the money. So, got to spare the double. We'll see how it goes.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys, so I just got through bowling. I'm back in the room. I'm getting ready to change into my swimsuit. We're going to the pool at Caesars. We've got dinner later on at the Cosmopolitan, so we're going to do that, and then we'll have some time later tonight. So, not sure how much vlogging I'm going to do because we're going to be hanging out with friends, but I'll try to do as much as I can. So anyways, I'm headed to the pool. I'll catch you guys here in a bit. That's awesome. Alright, so we are here to eat. No, we're here at Cosmopolitan. We're here to eat at China Poblano. You gotta try it 3 times. Alright, one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time.
I don't do it.
We should try it at the same time. Does anybody have another one?
Yeah, right here. There you go.
Okay, here we go.
All right. Cheers. Can you guys see it or no?
Yeah, you got it.
All right, one more. Oh, my bad. I didn't hit record. My bad. Let's do it again one more time.
So this is the last time for real.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. It's like fruit.
Flowers.
We don't ask those questions. It almost tastes like berry. Berry? Oh, it does.
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh,
Hold
man.
on.
That will make your tongue numb.
Hold on. Here it comes.
Rub it all over your
Here it comes.
Get it everywhere.
Just wait.
Get it all over.
Oh, Pop Rocks. Pop Rock is that?
I wasn't ready for that.
All right, and then kind of let it marinate, and then take a sip.
It does go numb.
Then take a sip.
Oh, that's awesome.
Completely different.
Yes.
I'm just waiting for that numb. I'm like a little Larry.
Can't feel your tongue, like it's numb. All right, so we just had dinner at China Poblano, which is absolutely amazing. We had drinks at the Chandelier Bar, which is the Verbena, and now we're headed to the Luxor.
Early the next morning.
All right, so we're back at Bally's, which is a little bit down the way from MGM, and I don't know why we do this. We do this every year. Every time we're here, we say, hey, let's make sure that you have all your tickets cashed. That way we walk away from the casino and we don't have to come back. And sure enough, it's the day before we leave. We have an hour before our flight, and we have to rush down to the casino, to a different casino, take an Uber, and cash our ticket. So anyways, we're here at Bally's. We're gonna cash a ticket, then we're gonna head back to the hotel, pick up our bags, and then head to the airport. So little time, so many things to do. Here we go. Baby, that's it. We just checked our bags. Alright, we just checked our bags. We're at the airport. We're headed home. It was a long line, but it went pretty quick. And we have 25 minutes to get to the gate on the plane because we start boarding. I don't know if we have time for the lounge though. Probably not. Okay, that's it. Quick little 20-minute pit stop in the lounge, and we are about to close it up. So thanks for watching, everybody. You guys have a magical day. We'll see you back in Dallas. Bye.
Group 5 using the blue main boarding lane, the other side. Group 5, you are welcome to board.